So at this Jamaica gone to now. No, but I say nothing, you know. Me no want hear no excuse. Me no want hear nothing. We no not have nothing to say. Cause we no good at it. We no comfortable, we no laugh. Now, after all this time, Jamaica, and this are the levels. No, Virgin. This is the perfect example of a society in a reverse. Wake up. Jamaica, wake up. I'm gonna say it again. Jamaica, wake up. Jamaicans, wake up. What is these things taking place in front of our face on social media? Something well on. That generation, them the whole generation drop on them head or something. What kind of behavior them here? What kind of mannerism them here? You can't even call them a mannerism. You see me? What kind of behavior them here display? No, you can't want to drive everybody in a dirty life, you know. You see me? Now these youth, you know, I try to go viral by doing the most taboo things where Jamaica does not tolerate it. People, what kind of embarrassment this pan our country, look at island? Huh? No, me just want to clarify this. This is the state of Jamaica, 2024 going on to 2025. And this I go on at Jamaica. Me no believe I'm a wicked prank gonna run for me. Cause I can't when me see. Hey, subscribe. Drop your comment. Smash it like. Judgmental bomb. Chad no style. Why? For all this time, me did think say we dey live in our place so them known for say Jamaica is a homophobic place. Nothing like that. You understand? As a matter of fact, just get my papers left. I pack up and left a morning. Cause if I this I go on, I need for the run as a bridge. Cause I can tell you one thing. No boy. Now go slap me upon my wear and I skin him teeth. Let me repeat it again. Me say no boy. Can't slap this area. That me I tell you. You hear? So some little strange things when I see some boy at display. And me see Sir Q a start about say. We see, yo, I want the blood. Yo, no. People, I must, is that comedy gone wrong or something? Cause me know say, me just no believe when me really feel say, cause me not supposed to have nightmare and I see them something anyway. You understand me, dude? So this is what puzzling to me, I say. Me can't have them a drink me that I want. Fire. Light all the lighter right now, brother. You see me? So me I say, yo, what go on here, sir? You see the youth, them a violate them one another there, sir. Then only 50, like a runway modeling thing a go on in our alley. And me I say, yo, me confused. Me no know what go on here. So me I say, yo, hold on. Cause me know say, no. The youth them love do them comedy at first. Me think a comedy the youth them are doing until me say no man, them behavior past comedy. So me I say people. When me hear people talk about say Jamaica is this homophobic place and them bun certain things and them not involved in a certain things, rubbish. Me no buy that. You understand? So, basically what Circular say, a man could have pull out a Glock out of a purse and run it down in a high heel shoes. You see it? And probably take out your 3 pints and put back in gun in a purse. And gone in a short skirt. You cannot make up this. You understand? So, I just so, the shatter thing gone now. Me can't even call shot upon that, Virgin. Circle, me not, hey. You really shatter them. You think you can go to some real shatter, go involve some real shatter in that circle? How we are talk about circle? Me not buy that. Me not mix no real shatter with no lean boy. What you talk about? Well, as a circle I say right now, so the street I run. A bad man will take out him Glock out of him purse with him long nail them, change our clip. Yes, people of the world, and it's strange. We see which part them all say, Muta Baruka. Now keep it real as him should. Cause when Muta Baruka they run the politician, them Muta get friendly. And when Muta they in the radio station, and them a run to Joakim and Brian, everything is good. Allegedly, them say, Muta, quit on the questions. So, you know, say Muta are the godfather and the thing, but for some reason, them beat Muta with that one, and for some reason, them say, boy, Muta should have went speak up, you know. But as you know the thing go, sometimes it's stuff where the audience would like to hear ask. The person who doing the interview have to be more professional and conduct themselves on a certain order, you know. Because there's a thing called a contract where people sign a lot of time when they're going to do a lot of things, so you can't go around that. So a lot of people don't really understand these things, but blessings to Muta. Do what's right though. And let's get back to this city. Make go forward to that situation because too much background there already. So we need to have black around there. So here we are going now. Too much distraction. You understand? And a distraction, you see if you distraction you not get was something positive one can benefit something from. Instead of destruction upon a name like that, Virgin. Now, me and Virgin need to make a statement and me have to say a real talk still, you know. After you run this a spank man. Where you go after that, brother? Cause I might say una move like una plan to do a movie or something. This is not a normal behavior. How do you say a thing go on in a party where a virgin have to run cause him never did realize that who him go up to for dance pan. So this thing get weird pass out of hand. It gone in the pan. You understand? People open on the eyes and know say when them put one rag over your eye, you have sense enough to listen what go on in your surrounding. You understand? Why you think you can't fool some blind man? And every blind man you can't fool, you know? Because them senses get stronger when one gone down. You understand? So, you know what go on. Them can't fool you. So, the viral moment there, Your life, you did want to change your life? No, you change your life. You lick your own chip. Da 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 da. You know the case like this now, a case scenario like this, we have to shout out and beg Jah for send black the freedom fighter. You see me? I don't need to apologize to Foota hype too. You understand? Cause in a case like this, Foota, streets need help. Straight nation, streets need help cause you are going to know. Me a man say a thing last night, say boy artists them terrifying a Foota brother. Artist afraid for wipe him nose if him have a cool rasta cause Foota gonna say how that boy there wipe him face like a catty. Artists them terrifying. Artists afraid for sneeze. So the man them I say right now, only the freedom fighter can help them in a situation like this, you see me? So, Foota hype, you have to go forward and try to purge out what go on, you understand? Because Rasta, youth them mislead and them gone astray, John now. So, when you see people, when you need Foota hype more than what you expect, right? 1 minute, when I go bash Foota, but really analyze it for a second and realize Foota very, 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 very necessary for Jamaica. Keep the order, man. Me, a man I say, yo, I don't know how I go on, brother, because he app named TikTok and so man I go on like a them on TikTok and the people, them app, brother, you know, go on virgin, all the battery dead out of the brother, that me I tell you, no charge it. Oh, if you see still, oh, go on still, you understand? See, I want to wrestle with a whole bowl of pork while they are me. See a lightning ball. The charger burn up out of the wall. You know the whole Jamaica scene get different, brother. You had no star. If you find one nice river and just go cook some food, rasta and just go and build. Roll up a spliff and just forget about people. You can't stress out yourself over people, virgin. Lord them. People big up on yourself. Ensure you to subscribe. Listeners, viewers, bless on yourself. Stay healthy. Stay focused. You understand? Because for I go on right now, definitely not healthy. And kids, on the wise, on the way smart, that than what's going on right now. I believe in you. I have strong faith in you, say. When you're more strong-minded than what's taking place. When you know what wrong from right, you know what right from wrong. You understand? So, with that said, stand your purpose. Hold your grounds. Don't want to be like nobody else. Be yourself. Be a leader. Don't be following no one. If anything, let someone follow what you are do. You understand? So, with that said, man, guidance until the next episode, where only hope we have something positive to talk about this time, guys. That platform, yeah, I don't really like it. The whole part. Yeah, Nathan? Yeah, man. YouTube, big up on yourself. 100,000 subscribers, we are talking about around there.